Also, about us, there is nothing in it. It's all dummy text. You can edit all these details, and the font colors, it's not bright here because the background is too dark. And photos, there is nothing there now. Maybe some demo photos or something, but everything is customizable.